everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Well guys, I was contacted by this really cool company that sells canvas shopping bags, cosmetic bags, aprons, just all kinds of fun bags and stuff. And I was super excited because I love bags. I mean, I've got so many bags, it's unreal, but I love them. It's just something that I like to collect. And the company's name is WISK, and I hope I'm saying that right. It's WISKF. I will leave their link below and all the link of these awesome bags that I received. And you can go check them out. And I do have a coupon code that I will leave. And if you use that, then you can save some off of your next purchase. And they're also having Christmas events going on over on their website, and I will leave all the information of that below. They've got 20% off. There's no threshold, and so go check them out, because it was very, very hard for me to decide what I wanted, because I wanted it all. As much as I love bags, I wanted it all. So let's get right into me showing you what I received from them. The first thing I got was, let's see here. This is called a canvas shopping bag. And guys, they have all letters. Look at this awesome bag. It's got all of the letters, and of course I got the D. And look at this. It is a nice size bag. It stands, let's see, where is my, I cleaned up my craft room when I got back from Georgia. So as you can see, this bag is like 12, almost 16 inches wide and a little over 12 inches tall. So this is a perfect bag to carry things in. I needed a new bag to carry my stuff into work, and I love this bag. This is so stinking cute. And it does, look, they put a beautiful ribbon on the side here, on the handle, and it's got this neat little pocket that you can keep your stuff in here. Your little things, which my hubby says, you don't need little things. I said, of course I need little things. And so, and you can zip that up. This is so cute, and it's really well made. So this is the canvas shopping bag, and like I said, they have all of the letters that you can pick your letter that you want. So I'm going to lay that aside. And then when I seen this, I thought, I got to have that. It's in my favorite color, and it's also purple. So this is the cosmetic bag in the butterfly, and they have, I mean, anything you can imagine. I noticed that they do have. And let me get in here. I want you to look. Ooh, see, I haven't opened these. I'm opening them just with you guys. Gotta turn the heat off. It's not warm. Excuse me. Oh, this is so soft. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that design. Is that butterfly not gorgeous? And this looks like it is 8 1/8 long and almost 5 3/8 tall. Isn't that beautiful? And then it's got like a little loop here. And look, it's lined. Look how you could fit all kinds of your makeup in there. And knowing me, I'll probably use it for crafting supplies. But isn't that a beautiful cosmetic bag? And like I said, they have all kinds. All different designs and colors. Gorgeous. And then they sell aprons. And I do not have an apron. And I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to get one for when I like to craft. And look, isn't that adorable? And here's the apron. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. And it feels like it is canvas. And look how cute. And look. And that little cat staring up at you. But they have all kinds of different aprons that you can pick from. And of course I had to pick the cat because that's just too stinking cute. And I think that this one would be absolutely gorgeous with all kinds of inks and paints to protect your clothes. So stinking cute. And they're very reasonably priced, guys. They really, really are. So look at that awesome apron. I love it. So I'll be wearing this when I do my mixed media. Look how cute he is. Just too stinking cute. I love that. How fun is this? And then, of course, here is the Nightmare Before Christmas tote bag. And look how cute. Look how cute. And you know I'll use him all year round. Look at that. It is a huge tote bag. Absolutely huge. So it's, I bet this one's the same size as the other one. 12. Yep, about 16 and a quarter. And I may be a little bit off on it, but look how tall it is. 12, about 15. So look at that. And you could fit a lot of fun stuff in here, guys. And this is canvas too. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love these bags. Okay, I'm hooked. I'm absolutely hooked on these. So guys, I will leave the link to their store down below along with all of the discount codes that you could go over, and these would be some pretty cool Christmas gifts. So thank you so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.